How to make anti-aging skin serum with moisturizing and brightening properties? Use 2 tablespoons of flax seeds and 100 ml of distilled water. Place it on the water bath to make a gel. Strain 26 grams of gel, add 2 grams of matcha powder and mix it. Add 1 gram of pseudocollagen and mix. Then add 0.6 gram of fig extract and 3 drops of lavender essential oil. Make sure to mix after each added ingredient. Use about 3 drops of lactic acid to get pH between 4 and 5. At the end, add 5 drops of preservative to keep the serum at room temperature. Use this serum in your daily skincare routine in the morning under cream and nighttime under cream or oil. The best results are visible when working together with red light therapy. Let me know if you like this recipe. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye!